Google's May 2020 core update is finally over and majority of the people they are not happy with it. Hello friends, welcome you all to our channel Buddha's Learning. I am Sumit Sharma and please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing and technology. Now let's start with our today's video. Mr. Danny Sullivan's tweet from Google's official Twitter handle, Google Search Liaison. It says that May 2020 core update rollout is complete. This all started on May 5th when rankings of many of the websites fell drastically. We have already made a video on it and its link is given in the I button so you can watch it from there. Now since this update is officially complete and the overwhelming sentiments about this update is of dissatisfaction, and to know more about it in detail, let's proceed to the laptop screen. The response from the search community indicates a perception of problems in Google's search results. Many are expressing a negative sentiment for May 2020 core update, as this update started on May 5th, and on Google's Twitter handle, Google Search Liaison, it states that May 2020 core update is now rolling out live. As is typical with these updates, it will typically take about 1 to 2 weeks to fully roll out. Now it took about 2 weeks, and on May 18, Google Search Liaison again stated the May 2020 core update rollout is complete. Now, most of the SEO experts and the SEO strategists, they showed the negative response. They showed a high level of dissatisfaction from this update. As you can see here, Mr. Rosten, he stated that yep, completed and flawed as hell. Now, a popular complaint about this update is that the sites like Pinterest, they were clogging up in the search results. And many showed the dissatisfaction as this update looked biased towards Amazon and Etsy. Now why I'm saying it? Because just after this update, we took one test. In Google searches, I entered handmade socks, and when I saw the search results, I could see on the top there were 2 listings from Etsy, and then there was one Amazon, and the fourth one, that was Pinterest, as you can see here. And Mr. Roman Sedoki, he said that the search for fishing game in UK, it showed Amazon's 3 listings and Ergo's 2 listings. So this is not a normal behavior. Now why it is not normal? Because in the previous updates, it was clearly mentioned only one brand will find its place on the first page of the Google and it will not be shown twice. But now after this update, we can see one brand with multiple listings. And as we said that after this update, we can see in most of the rankings, we can find Etsy, Amazon and Pinterest, as it showed like a few examples like handmade fishing flies, handmade socks, handmade bongos. In most of these items, we can find Etsy on the top with multiple listings. And now after this update, when we went to Google Trends and type Etsy, so you can see a phenomenal increase in the trends, because on May 15 Etsy is down, but now after that its scale is going up. On May 15 the average search is 36, but now in just 2 weeks it has crossed 100. Now if we go to another SEO magazine, that is Search Engine Land, here also it states that Google May 2020 core update is done rolling out. Now since the rollout has completed on 18th of May, it's a good time that you can review your website to see that if this May 2020 update had an impact on it because of the Google in terms of rankings. It also stated that it was a big update because based on the data we obtained around, this is a very big update, and we looked at the data from several companies. Now as we can see that May 2020 update and its rollout that is done, what to do. So Google's latest advice is quite similar to the advice which it gave in 2011 when Panda algorithm was there. So they are again saying that you should focus on your content, because the company is offering a set of questions which you need to ask from yourself, that does the content provide original information? Does the content provide a substantial and complete description of the topic? Or does the content provide insight, analysis or interesting information that is beyond obvious? And you should be very sure that the headline or the page title are they descriptive and quite handy in terms of providing the summary of the content. And it should not be like that your heading or your page title, they would be exaggerating or shocking in nature. And after that, there are some common things like your content should be free from spelling mistakes and your content should produce well. It should not be surrounded with the affiliate links only. Now, if we check another SEO magazine, that is surroundtable.com, it also stated that it was quite obvious that since May 5th, the rankings started, and since we all are aware that this algorithm and this update started hitting across the world on May 5th, and of course it may have finished sooner, but they were trying to find out the stable rankings, so that's why they stated that it will take about 2 weeks. Now, as we can see here, the different tracking tools like Mozcast or SERP Metrics, as we can see here in SERP Metrics, on 5th there is a quite high bump, then the rankings, they have started going down and these rankings are falling till May 9, and after May 9, and you can see on May 17, these are quite similar. And the similar analysis is given by Algoru as well. In Algoru, you can see on 7th there is a huge change in the rankings, and then there is a drop. On every day it is dropping. The ranking on 10th or 11th, it is quite similar to the rankings which is on 18th. And the similar stats are produced by another search tool, that is Advanced Web Rankings, and we can see AccuRanker as well. It is also giving the similar results. And we can see the other stats like Rank Rangers or Cognitive SEO or SEMrush. In SEMrush, you can see on May 6th, between May 4th and May 6th, you can see that the rankings have started and then it has started falling down, and this goes up to May 11th. So after that, the rankings have started. But overall, in these rankings, we can see that the 3 companies which have gained a lot after this update, these are Amazon, Etsy, and Pinterest. And not only their rankings are growing stronger and they are able to generate more traffic, they are able to find their place in the rankings twice or thrice. Good sign for these 3 companies, but overall, this update is not fine. This update is below satisfaction. So guys, that was all from my side regarding this Google May Core 2020 update and its rollout. For majority of the SMEs and the SEO experts who left no stone unturned for their website's rankings. So my suggestion to them is that please don't lose hope. In our next blog, we will discuss that if your website's ranking has fallen down and if your website's traffic has gone, so how to bring traffic again and how to rank your website up. And we'll also discuss that if your website is ranking down, on what measures Google has downgraded them and how to lift your website again. So this all will be discussed in our next blog. So please stay tuned to our upcoming video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing. So that's all from my side. We'll meet you in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and enjoy learning digital marketing through our videos. Thank you.